exploring Detroit's human-like robot, the future of robotics. If you've strolled through Detroit recently and spotted something out of a sci-fi movie, an eerily human-like robot greeting passers-by, shaking hands, or even jogging down the sidewalk, rest assured you're not imagining things. This isn't a glimpse into the distant future. It's happening right now, in real time, on the streets of Motor City. The sight has sparked curiosity, excitement, and more than a little disbelief among locals and visitors alike. But here's what's really going on behind the spectacle, and why it matters for tech, education, and the future of entertainment in Detroit. That lifelike robot isn't just for show. It's a walking, talking, waving ambassador for the Interactive Combat League, a pioneering organization that's putting Detroit on the map as a hub for cutting-edge robotic competition. Imagine the classic Rock'em Sock'em Robots toy, but supersized, supercharged, and played out in real life. Or, perhaps even more vividly, picture the adrenaline-fueled robot boxing from the movie Real Steel, except with actual human operators inside the machines, piloting them through intense, head-to-head battles. This is exactly the kind of action you'll find at 21630 W. 7 Mile Road, where the League's public events are staged. The first open-to-the-public Robot Combat Showdown is scheduled for Saturday, July 19th, and if you're hoping to snag a ticket, you might already be out of luck. They've flown off the virtual shelves. But don't worry if you missed out. Another event is locked in for August 16th. Details and tickets are available through the League's official site. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The robots you see strutting around the city, grabbing attention and sparking selfies, are primarily here for promotion and education. These models are designed to be approachable to get people, especially young people, talking, thinking, and dreaming about robotics. And it's working. Art Cartwright from the Interactive Combat League explains, "We wanted to create something engaging for youth, to help them grasp the possibilities of robotics. The kids love it, and we're seeing more and more young people getting excited about the field. But the real spectacle, the main event, is a whole different beast. The Interactive Robot Combat League features towering, 9-foot-tall mechanical gladiators, each controlled by a human operator decked out in what can only be described as Iron Man-esque exosuits. These titans don't just spar. They unleash rapid-fire barrages of safe, exploding projectiles at speeds of up to 20 per second. It's a breathtaking mashup of engineering, athleticism, and pure spectacle. Imagine Real Steel meets a live-action video game, with real people calling the shots inside those armored shells. The League draws competitors from over 30 cities across the nation. The upcoming weekend's lineup pits Detroit against Atlanta and Los Angeles against Phoenix. So expect fierce rivalries and high stakes. But here's something most people miss. Not every bout is open to the public. Some of the most intense matches are exclusively streamed live at roboer.com, widening the audience and bringing the action to fans worldwide. And there's a community angle, too. Cartwright emphasizes that the League is about more than just competition. Any student in the Detroit area who's curious about robotics can reach out directly, by phone or email, to learn about free educational opportunities. This is the cutting edge of robotic technology, says Cartwright. These systems are powered by AI, capable of learning and adapting on their own. They're truly remarkable, and we want to give people a front-row seat to see how it all works. Now, let's stir up some conversation. Is this the future of sports and entertainment, or just a flashy gimmick? Are we witnessing the birth of a new industry, or simply a high-tech sideshow? And what does it mean for the next generation? Will events like this inspire a wave of young engineers and innovators, or could they distract from more practical applications of robotics? I'd love to hear your take. Drop a comment below if you think this is genius, over the top, or somewhere in between. By the way, if you're hungry for more Detroit headlines, here are a few you might have missed. A major rock band canceled their tour over weather forecasts that may or may not materialize. KFC is offering a free bucket of fried chicken to every American. Ice Cube is set to perform at the debut home game for Detroit's Big Three team. One of Michigan's largest malls closed due to widespread flooding, and a historic train station has been reborn as a luxury Italian steakhouse following a $13 million renovation. Lastly, a quick note on privacy. If you purchase something or sign up through our links, we may earn a commission. By using this site, you're agreeing to our user agreement and privacy policy, which outline how your data is collected and used by us and our partners.